Lovely. What am I doing? Am I really doing this on the internet? I don't know. And by that I mean, it's doing nothing for my lashes. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm wearing my glasses today, and also I have not brushed my hair since I got back. This is just how I was looking today, and I did pop out to get a few groceries, just essentials, not to bulk buy anything, and I've literally just got back in and decided to sit down and film this intro because it's only going to take me like 2 minutes. I thought there's no point in me putting my contact lenses in just for the intro. But in today's video, well, for the past 24 hours I have only been using sustainable beauty brands for things like makeup, face stuff, hair stuff, and trying out a bunch of new products. It's pretty much me testing sustainable beauty brands and products and things that are, a lot of the things are no waste. I just wanted to test some things from smaller brands that are focusing more on sustainability because I think that is a great thing, and I'm hoping that bigger brands will start to introduce more sustainable things as the years go on. But I thought it would be interesting to replace all of my standard beauty products with all of these new brands that I haven't really tried before. I hope everyone is okay, and I hope this video provides you with some kind of distraction. If you've got any video ideas that you want to see from me, because we're all going to be inside for a while probably. If you've got any video ideas of things that you would like to see on my channel, like fun things, random things, like literally anything that you want to see from me, please leave me some suggestions down below because I want to make some fun content for you guys to try and take your mind off everything. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm actually going to be doing this over 2 days. That is because, well, that sticks with the actual 24-hour thing. It will actually be 24 hours. And also because I'm still waiting on one product to arrive for this video, which is my sustainable toothpaste, which I'm kind of worried about because it's got some interesting reviews. But I just really wanted to get started on this video now because I thought that would be here by now, but it's not. And I really need to do the other things like wash my hair, shave my legs, wash my face, and do my makeup and all of that kind of stuff. So I thought I would save the toothpaste for when it actually arrives tomorrow. First thing I'm going to start out with today is the Lush Lip Balm. This is the Honey Trap Lip Balm. Comes in an aluminium tin, and it says on the back, please recycle this aluminium tin locally. Yeah, this is the problem with having long nails. I kind of have to scoop it out with the back of my nail. I do actually really like this lip balm. Lush is really good for having loads of sustainable, waste-free type stuff. I'm not too crazy about the taste of it though, or the smell. It's a little bit strong. It's got mint and honey in it, and I think the combination is just a bit like, not my favourite, but it feels really nice, so that's good. So the next step for me is to go and wash my hair with the shampoo bar because this is not okay. I also think there's something on my camera lens which is making this a bit blurry. There is literally a giant fingerprint on my camera lens and I've only just noticed. Good job, Soph.
A few moments later.
So I've just brushed through my hair so it's as tangle free as possible. I'm using the Faith in Nature Coconut and Shea Butter Shampoo Bar. This is literally just a bar of whatever this is. Smells like coconut oil. It just comes in this recyclable box, and that is the product. It says, lather the shampoo bar between your hands and gently massage the foam into wet hair. Wash and rinse thoroughly with water until hair is clean. That is it. We're gonna give it a go. For conditioner, didn't really think that one through. But if my hair is feeling really unmanageable, I'm gonna put a bit of coconut oil in it. I used to actually do this a lot. I would do like a weekly coconut oil treatment on my hair where I would literally just cover my hair in coconut oil, leave it for a bit, and then shampoo it out. Maybe I should put it in before I do the shampoo. I'm gonna do that. This probably is not the best example of coconut oil because it is in a plastic container, but it does say on the bottom that this plastic is recyclable. But like I said, I didn't think this part of the video through, so let's just ignore that it's in a plastic jar. But this is a natural conditioner. I also used to put coconut oil on my hair before I bleached it, when I used to bleach it myself and completely destroyed my own hair. That's besides the point. It does make your hair feel really nice, just don't put too much near your roots. It literally just melts into your hands. Oh, I don't want to get it on my jumper, that's the only problem. Lovely. Right, I'm gonna leave that to sit for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna use this. Oh god, the card is in the box. Lathering this between my hands. It's not really lathering up very well. You just need to use quite a lot of water with it. Right, so that was a bit of a mixed experience. I did manage to get it to lather up eventually, but I definitely spent about twice as long washing my hair than I normally do because I couldn't get it to like foam up very nicely and it just didn't really feel like it was doing anything. And then I just didn't use any conditioner because the coconut oil was still in the ends of my hair. I guess the main result is going to be when I've dried my hair because I did double cleanse, but it didn't feel like it's as clean as normal, but who knows, it might look really nice once I've dried it. For my face, I've actually got a few different things. I've used these from Lush before. This one is the tea tree balm stuff melting cleanser. This one is like a moisturizing soothing cleanser, and I've also got this, which is a facial oil, which I'm going to use afterwards. But I want to try this one. This is the Beauty Kitchen Prime Time Cream Cleanser. This says it gently melts away makeup and impurities for perfectly prepped skin. And with this, it says the pump is 100% recyclable, and with the bottle it says return, refill, repeat. We wash and reuse our bottles, so you can actually send back the bottle once you've used it and they will refill it for you, which I think is great. Wow, I feel like a proper beauty guru. Apart from my camera won't focus. Don't lie, excuse me. It actually felt really nice. It didn't foam up or anything, but it feels really moisturizing. It doesn't feel like my face is like squeaky clean. It feels more hydrated than everything, but it does say hydrate and nourish cleanser. So I think that would actually be really good for sensitive skin because it didn't feel irritating at all. So before I do my makeup, my only moisturizer that I've got is this one from Lush. And these little bars are actually facial oils that it says to rub onto clean, dry skin. You just have to melt them between your fingers. I would not normally put oil on my face before doing my makeup, but this is the only moisturizer that I've got. The one thing that I'm not too keen on about these Lush melting products is they do feel very thick on your face. Okay, moving on. Oh, I just realized another cleanser that's actually really good is this one from the Body Shop, which as you can see I've used quite a lot of. This looks kind of gross because it's been sitting on the side of my bath, but this is the Body Shop charcoal soap, which you can use on your face. You can also use it on your hands, but it's got like little gritty bits in it, and it's actually quite good at like exfoliating your face. And I have actually used quite a lot of this and I do really rate it. And obviously it's just a bar of soap and it comes in cardboard packaging, so once you've opened it, recycle the cardboard and then just use this until it's fully used up. I might use that later. And that one definitely gives more of like a squeaky clean type feel. So just before I go to my makeup, I've just realized that I probably should have washed my face in the shower. I've got this to test. This is the Eco Warrior Moisturizing Boys and Girls Shaving Bar, which again is just a bar in some cardboard packaging. So I'm going to use this to shave my legs in the shower. I can't really show you that footage. Actually wait, I might try shaving my legs, like one of my legs outside of the shower with this, then obviously I'll go shower and then not show you the rest of that footage because, well, I don't, it's not gonna happen. So this is what it looks like. This is gonna be really difficult to do without getting my camera wet. What am I doing? Am I really doing this on the internet? Well, it's turning up nicely. I would say that's a success. My leg feels really smooth. It kind of feels like that squeaky clean feeling, you know, when you use a bar of soap on your hands. Do you know what I mean? But I mean, it worked really well. My legs feel really smooth. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and I'll be right back. Right, so I'm out of the shower. I actually just used the like shaving bar as my shower gel and it worked perfectly fine, but it does kind of just feel like a bar of soap. And obviously you can just use a bar of soap in the shower. I've got like Dove bars of soap as well, which again just come in a cardboard box, and then you use the soap until it's all gone. So what I'm gonna do next is my deodorant. This is a Salt of the Earth Classic Unscented Effective Natural Crystal Deodorant. When it said a deodorant, I was kind of expecting it to be in some kind of packaging, but it's literally just a crystal. It looks like a stick of salt or something, and it's really heavy. Dry crystal thoroughly before placing back in the box. To use me on dry skin, wet me first and then apply. I didn't read that before getting dressed. Let me just go wet this. This is a weird sensation. I'm also going to report back through the day on whether or not this actually worked in making me smell fresh. My underarms do feel a bit sticky now. My hair definitely doesn't feel as soft as when I usually have just washed it, but I'm gonna dry it and see.
Two hours later.
So I just finished drying my hair. I did use the round brush attachment on my air wrap to try and, I don't know, make it look a bit nicer. Okay, it doesn't look too bad, but it definitely doesn't look as shiny as when I normally do my hair. Whether or not that's because I didn't use any styling products or anything. I didn't use any heat protectant because I couldn't find any like sustainable heat protectant products online. But one thing that I do just want to say is that the back of my hair especially, the front of my hair doesn't feel too bad, but kind of from about this point backwards and underneath, my hair still feels greasy. It just feels very heavy. I don't know whether it was that the product didn't wash out of my hair fully, or whether that it just didn't get like soapy enough to wash all of the grease out of my hair. I think maybe you just have to spend more time like lathering up the soap and like really getting it in there, maybe doing a triple cleanse, because I double cleansed my hair. Maybe I needed to do a triple cleanse. I don't know. It just, it's not, it doesn't feel the best. On the upside, it does look a bit thicker, I think, in my opinion. I don't know. I'm really not trying to get the message across that sustainable products are bad. I think they just take a bit of getting used to and a bit of practicing with, maybe a bit more research on my side. Moving on to my makeup. So I've already got that oil on, which was the Lush oil. My face, like, it doesn't feel like it's sunk in at all. My face still feels pretty oily, if I'm being completely honest. For my makeup, I've got some of the Lush products, which I have done a full video testing Lush makeup before. I've got the concealer, which comes in a recyclable box. The actual concealer itself is just wrapped in wax. They do actually have this in loads of different shades. Looks like this. They also have a foundation as well. But today I'm going to be going a bit more natural, just using the concealer. I've got the Emotional Brilliance translucent powder, and on the back of this it says you can bring back 5 Lush pots or tubes with this logo on and receive 1 fresh face mask for free. Same with the mascara packaging, and then the lipsticks come in a reusable little container, so you just buy the lipstick refill, which again is wrapped in wax. And I'm actually just going to blend this out with my fingers. Wow, this is a throwback. I used to do this anyway, but I feel like it just helps the product melt into your skin a bit more. I got the shade N8. It's quite a shiny and oily concealer, but it actually makes your skin look really nice. I think my skin looks really fresh. Okay, I'm taking the Lush Powder, which is kind of pink looking. I'm pretty much just putting soap in my eyebrows. Going for a bit more of a fluffy, natural look today. This mascara is really, really natural. And by that I mean, it's doing nothing for my lashes. I think that's about the best I'm gonna get. Which is such a gorgeous colour. Again, these don't taste or smell too great, if I'm being completely honest with you. It's not horrendous. It just has a slightly oily taste. So I'm gonna go get on with the rest of my day. I'm gonna go have my lunch, and then I'll come back later to test some more stuff, I guess, because I'm not gonna be using any beauty products between now and like dinner. And I'll also check in on the makeup and the deodorant as well to see if they actually last. I'll see you in a bit. Right, so it's actually been about 6 hours since I last updated you guys. I just wanted to show you how the makeup is looking. To be honest, not the best. I guess one good thing is my face doesn't look overly oily, but the concealer is kind of starting to break up a little bit, especially under my eyes. Oh, I'm around my smile lines as well. And the mascara is starting to transfer like little dots under my eyes, which is a shame. But I don't know if you can see, just here and like here. The makeup's not looking the best. I'm gonna come back in a couple hours and show you some more bits, try out some more stuff. So I'm about to go to bed. It's actually 12:03. It's gone midnight. So I'm gonna have to talk pretty quietly because my parents have gone to sleep. The makeup is not looking great. Loads of the mascara has transferred under here, and I feel like the concealer has pretty much like disappeared. Not looking the best, but then it has been on for many hours. I am just gonna wash my face with this again to remove my makeup. Then I'm gonna use my Bodyshop Charcoal soap bar to like properly wash my face. And then the only night cream I've got is my Lush face oil. So I'm gonna use this again. I feel like this might be better at night anyway because it is an oil. In terms of the deodorant, it's actually done a much better job than I thought it was gonna. To be honest with you, I was kind of just expecting it to not work. I'm not quite smelling as fresh as usual because normally my deodorants are scented, but I don't smell of BO, which is the main thing. So that actually gets a thumbs up from me. But then again, I haven't really done any strenuous exercise today. Actually feels so nice. It feels so moisturizing. I would definitely continue using this. Also, by the way, this is a reusable cotton pad. You just like get a bunch of these on Amazon. You can put them in the washing machine, or you can wash them in the sink, and you can reuse them again and again and again. Oh, it went in my eye. It's literally squeaky clean, but it went in my eye. Don't do that. My face does feel really clean, but I want to try and find like some heavier moisturizer than this, just because I like to wear quite a heavy night cream. I'm sure there's loads available, but I just don't have any. So my sustainable toothpaste hasn't actually arrived yet. I do have my toothbrush though. This is the bamboo toothbrush from the Humble Brush. The toothbrush is compostable, I believe, and fully biodegradable. The bristles, it says to recycle because they're plastic, but I don't know where you could recycle toothbrush bristles. Cute colour though. I'm just gonna have to use my normal toothpaste for now. It's totally fine, did the job, my teeth feel clean, but I feel like with a normal toothbrush, because it's flexible, you can kind of maneuver it a bit more easily, whereas because this is literally like rigid wood, it was a bit more difficult to like get to the back, but it was totally fine. And then the last thing before bed is this mouthwash which leaked over everything. This is the Wacken Mouthwash in Spearmint, and on the back of here it says, well, I believe that this is all made of recyclable packaging because it's all aluminium, and this is another sustainable brand. I think this is also from Boots. Oh, I am going to be the only one using this, so I'm just going to drink out of the bottle. Not drink it, but like swig it. Cheers. That actually tasted pretty good. It was a bit more of a natural flavour, less alcohol-y, but it actually tastes nice. I like spearmint. I give that a thumbs up. Right, I'm going to go to bed because it is 26 minutes past midnight. See you guys in the morning. Good morning guys, it's the next day. I've encountered a bit of a problem. It is currently 1:46 in the afternoon. Don't judge that I'm still in my dressing gown, okay? My toothpaste tablets, or I don't even think it was toothpaste tablets. It was just some natural made toothpaste in a glass jar, and it still hasn't arrived. I'm guessing delivery time might have been delayed for things just because of the whole, you know, thing that's going on. But I have not got to try my toothpaste, and if it doesn't arrive within the next few hours, I'm gonna have to skip that part of the video just because I want to edit this and get it up tonight, just so that you guys have some kind of content from me and distraction from everything that's going on. My skin this morning, I was kind of thinking that well, I say this morning, it's nearly 2 o'clock. If I'm being completely honest with you, I didn't get out of bed till 11 because I just couldn't sleep last night. I thought my skin might have broken out this morning just because the oil that I put on it last night was really thick, but it actually feels really nice. My skin feels really smooth. It doesn't quite feel as hydrated as usual with my normal like overnight skin products, but it feels perfectly fine, hasn't broken me out or anything, which is good. So yeah, I guess that concludes it. Moral of the story is there's definitely a lot more sustainable beauty products on the market. I'm sure they will get better and better and better. My favorite thing from this video was probably the face cleanser, and I really like the idea that you can send the packaging back and they'll refill it and send it back to you, and I hope this is helpful. I'm gonna go get myself ready now. I'm currently filming this outro at 4:59 in the evening, and my toothpaste still has not arrived. I'm assuming it's because Amazon workers are probably extremely overworked at the moment. Right, I'm gonna answer a question of the day, and again, let's keep the positivity going in the comments. Please tell me some positive things and things that are exciting, and just anything good that is going on in your life, let me know. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been a bit of an anxious mess the past few days, and I haven't been feeling great today, but I really don't want to stop making videos because I know that for so many people it is a distraction and it takes their mind off things that are going on in life in general. Today's question comes from Ashley Daniels, and she said, "Hey Soph, sending all the love from Minnesota, USA." Wow, hello to the USA. My question is, what are you looking forward to for the rest of 2020 after all the melee is over, of course? Are there any upcoming holiday and vacation plans, big brand collabs, or anything that puts a smile on your face at thinking about it? Things that excite me. I do have my second Skinny Dip collection coming out in a couple of weeks. Fingers crossed nothing is delayed. We've had a few issues with things related to Corona, but it is, so far things are still good, and fingers crossed everything launches on time and everything. So I'm so excited for that because there are so many exciting things with that I'm just really like looking forward to you guys seeing. Also, moving out soon really excites me. I have had some good news from the solicitors saying that we're pretty much ready to go, and I should be getting a moving date next week. But yeah, those are probably my most exciting things that are coming up. Right, I'm gonna leave this here. I hope you guys are good, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.